In this video, we're going to see how Microsoft's solution empowers the Contoso Hotel to provide amazing, personalized experiences to delight its consenting VIP guests with role-tailored experiences for its hospitality employees. We're going to see this through 5 scenarios. Firstly, how we can automatically recognize and proactively engage our VIP guests through facial recognition while on the property. Next, how we can alert our concierge and provide a personalized experience with targeted upsell recommendations during check-in. Then, when our guest is having a less than ideal experience on the gaming tables, we can proactively grant a personalized amenity. After that, we'll see how we can delight our VIP effectively as they attend a concert. When our VIP checks out, our hospitality manager can glean actionable insights from their activities on the property. We'll also see how we can enroll our consenting guests in our VIP recognition program to ensure that only consenting guests are tracked. We'll start things off with our Contoso Hotel interactive property map, which gives insight into which of our VIP guests are on site and where they are on the property. We can also see where members of our hospitality team are located, such as our concierge and property hosts. We've got multiple cameras set up on the property, allowing us to identify and engage our guests during their visit. Jeff Innes has consented to be enrolled in the VIP guest recognition program, which enables Contoso Hotel to provide him the personalized attention and delightful experiences that he enjoys while on the property. As Jeff arrives at the Contoso Hotel through the lobby entrance, we're able to identify him through his enrollment in our facial identification repository. We can identify his location on the property and even his current emotion, which we can leverage to engage with him in a personalized manner. Let's look at Jeff's guest profile, which will help provide the personalized experiences as Jeff is on site. We can review his status, his current reservation, and his most recent room, food, and drink experiences. In this instance, we can see that Jeff had a superior room last time, and we can use this proactive insight to upgrade him. We can review Jeff's guest mode, how he is engaged with our marketing campaigns, and upsell recommendations. We can track his bookings and current folio throughout his stay. We can track his most recent location, his activities on site, and his emotion timeline. Contoso Hotel's interactions with Jeff across channels are available in our timeline, and we can augment his profile with social and demographic insights from external sources. Finally, we can track detailed preferences from room type to gaming, dining to drinks, to provide personalization at each step within his stay. As Jeff is identified in the lobby, Oscar, the Contoso concierge, is automatically notified of his arrival on his tablet. He clicks the notification and is brought to a role-specific concierge experience with the list of expected VIPs and their profiles and preferences. Oscar can see the details of Jeff's reservation, including his booking to see Ricky Martin while on the property. He can also see his guest mode and the optimal upsell recommendation to maximize guest spending while on site. And Oscar can also see where Jeff is and has a visual to help him locate Jeff at the lobby entrance. Oscar can drill further into Jeff's room preferences and historical spend, and even update the profile with any insights captured during the conversation. Oscar can check Jeff in, which automatically notifies the housekeeping team of Jeff's room number and room preferences in order that the room can be prepped appropriately. For those guests that are active on social media, Oscar can also bring up the VIP guest's most recent social posts to engage with the guest on topics that are top of mind. Fast forward to the gaming table in the High Limit Lounge, where Jeff's not doing so well. Through facial recognition, Jeff's location is updated, and based on his ongoing unhappy state, an alert is automatically sent to the casino host Alan with Jeff's location and emotion, along with a recommended amenity. Alan uses his role-tailored, mobile-optimized view into Jeff's profile to locate Jeff on the property. Alan grants Jeff the recommended amenity of a premium vodka martini. By intelligently and proactively engaging Jeff at this critical juncture, we can delight Jeff and bring him back around. Later on that evening, Jeff makes his way to the theater to see the Ricky Martin concert. As he enters the venue, his location is again captured, and the event host, Frank, is notified of his arrival. Frank clicks the notification and is brought to an experience tailored to the role of the event host. Frank can see each of the expected VIPs and where they'll be sitting at the event, so he can recognize each of them with a personalized greeting. Since it's Jeff's birthday, Frank sees that he should leave a gift of a birthday card signed by Ricky Martin at Jeff's seat. After Jeff checks out of the property, our hospitality manager can review the final details of Jeff's folio and can also see where Jeff spent his time on the property with an interactive heat map based on facial recognition data and other signals. This data can drive updates to Jeff's profile and preferences. The hospitality manager can also optimize guest engagement by reviewing insights into hotel operations, metrics by room type, and even the guest satisfaction and upsell rates of the property host team, drilling down by time frame, by host, by upsell category, and more, to ensure optimal engagement of VIPs and other guests. Guest data privacy considerations are important to Contoso, so only guests that explicitly consent to participating in the VIP guest recognition program are tracked. To enroll a guest, a Contoso host can use their mobile device to capture consent acknowledgement with a signature and a date, and capture one or more photos of the guest. These photos will be used to train the facial recognition model that enables the proactive, personalized experiences that we've seen. And with that, we've seen how Microsoft's solution empowers the Contoso Hotel and Casino through intelligence, machine learning, and role-tailored experiences to delight its consenting VIP guests and optimize their spend while on site.